This one just went down. Here's IRB. I'm on Indian Rocks Beach, right across the street from Guppy's. It is rough out there today. Every street out here looks like this. Everything from inside these homes is outside. It's been sitting here since the first storm. Streets are just blocked. Can't even get through. I see people are just blocked out right here. Again, just everybody's stuff from inside. Outside, there's trees just blocking the roads. We're on First Street in Indian Rocks Beach. A lot of these houses are all the Airbnbs. People are just buying up. But just piles and piles and piles of stuff. Couches, bedroom sets, gym equipment. It's all back here. There's contractors out here already starting to get things fixed back up. Trees, every palm tree is laying on a power line somewhere. To think that all these people just went through a storm a week ago, 2 weeks ago, and now they had to go through a second one. town has been turned upside down. These are little cottages right on the beach. That is the deck in the pool. The amount of time it's going to take people to rebuild this out here, it's going to take forever. So these right here, these are the carports. And these carports actually belong over here. They're just shredded. The kooky coconut made it through. Still there. Don't know if they got the best Cubans. I think Havana Harry's down the street much better. But if you want to grab a little piece of ice cream, and then right down there, not even a block away, that's where the ocean or the Gulf of Mexico is. Currently, right now, there's still no power out here. You can see that you got law enforcement at every entrance or exit to the beach to prevent people getting out here. Again, there's no power. It's hot. But the Sheriff's Department is doing a great job at keeping everybody safe. So I'm over by the Holiday Inn on Indian Rocks Beach, also known as South Clearwater Beach. You can see that their little splash park is still here in good condition. Water's low. They probably drained it last night. Rum Shack's still there. Jimmy Guanas is right over there. Slides are all still up. They look like they're intact. I'm sure in a few days this place will be back up and running and people are having fun on their vacations. Maybe. Might take a little bit longer. Yes, it's still here. And yes, that Golden Margarita will be flowing soon. They're getting ready to get it all set up. Not sure when it's going to open. cleaning up the back patio. And golden margaritas to come soon. Those who know, know. Right now we're heading right through the Narrows of Indian Rocks Beach. I just passed the old floating house. There's not much out here. They got crews that are still cleaning up. You can see here's a big crew coming down the street right now. They're being escorted by the fire department as a military. You can see over here, those mobile homes right on the water made it. Almost all look like they're still there. Here's one of the newer caddies over here on Indian Shores. Everybody remembers it used to be the lighthouse. I don't know if you guys can see this, but man. You guys can see the current running through the intercoastal. So there's no power. You just hear the storm. It's loud. And then the alarms are going off. Up here you can still see there's just a lot of one-way traffic. They still got bulldozers out here, front loaders. They're really just trying to get the roadways cleared. driving by the Redwood right now. I'm still southbound on Gulf Boulevard, Indian Shores. It's still here. The guy lost his head. It's not going to be good for him. The headless, the skullless skeleton. Down on Indian Shores now. And yeah, it's like a ghost town. There's nobody. A ghost beach. The pools are just destroyed. Whoever's in the pool cleaning business, there's one guy, Greg. He can probably make a ton of money over the next 6 months. Nobody on the beach. I guess we'll just ride down the beach for a little bit. There's nobody here though. You know what? If this is my lobster pot up here, actually this is my... I am missing so many stone crab claw. Stone crab. These are washing up everywhere. I'm literally missing freaking 20 of those things somewhere. Either somebody keeps on stealing them from me. Craftsmen are probably not the most honest people sometimes. Or right up here to the, might be a little bouncy. It's a little rough out here right now. go down here and see what's left of the pier. There's crab traps everywhere. It gets real soft right where the water comes out in the openings. You any good shells? Yep. I thought there'd be some good ones out here today.
Yeah.
We've actually stayed right here. It's a small mom and dad place. Been here for a long time. But trees knocked over. So this is where they're supposed to park. Right now, it's nothing but sand. So if you've been to this area, you know this is one of the finer points that you have to go visit. I'm sure it will still be open. It's not yet, but one day will be. All right, time for me to go home. What you can see, Mount Hopper still looks about the same as it was before the hurricanes hit. Not much of a difference. Might even be a little bit cleaner. This is on one of the back roads, just behind Mount Hoppers. From here, I'll be heading back over the Park Boulevard Bridge. Making my way home. You know, it probably wasn't the best tour of Indian Rocks Beach the day after Milton. But at least you can look at and see what's happening out here. Still a lot of work to be done. Lots of things to be cleaned up. It's going to be a long time before it gets back to what it used to be. lights. And back over on the mainland. We are done.